So here we're on our demo site. First thing I'm going to do is select register for this hackathon. I'm actually already logged in. First thing I'm asked when register is if I'm looking for a teammate. I'm going to say no, I'm working from home. Found out from DevPost. Via our newsletter, make sure you're on our newsletter if you're not already. And I'm really interested in learning about this hackathon here. So once I'm in, you'll also see now we have some to-dos. These may be things like reading some certain documentation, perhaps getting an API key. In this case though, we're going to skip that and get started on submitting our project. So let's do get started here. And then we're able to either select a project from our portfolio or actually add a new product. So here we go. We're going to call our project Time Kit. I have to verify that I'm not a robot here. That's all okay. So save and continue. And now we're going to go in and actually complete the public view of our project. So here we're going to take this and we're going to say Time Kit test. You can also see here as well the different technologies this has been built with. CSS, we've used a little bit of JavaScript, and as you can see, these technologies actually all feed into public galleries. Now here we've used TimeKit.io. Now, while this isn't a tag that's actually already set up, what we're able to do is type it in there, and then on our side, we'll see that people are using this API and approve it into the gallery. We have an invite list here where we can actually then bring extra people onto our team. And in here as well, we have the description of our project. You can see here, we actually allow kind of syntaxing via Markdown. And we prompt you as well with some inspiration to help you write a great story. To make everything nice and quick here, I've actually already typed some of this out. So I'm just going to put these in here and you can see how everything is set up. Here as well, we're going to build a gallery of different images. Let's go here. We're going to select this image for our project and upload it. We can even add a caption here to that. Then as well, we have a URL. So let's take that URL. Here I'm going to put my GitHub repo because I want people to check out the project here. Let's put it in and then we can save the project. So that's the first stage of the submission done. The second stage of the submission is actually the details that are really specific to that hackathon. So here are the sponsor prizes. We can say this is going to be for the best social good project. These are usually optional prizes. As well, you can see here it's asking for my phone number. This is going to be kept private, but I'm going to put this in here as well to make sure that everyone can contact me if I win a prize. I accept the rules of the hackathon and I click complete the submission. So now the submission has been completed. I can see that here I get the successfully submitted thing for demo hacks. So obviously the managers will be able to see it. But also as well, let's say that I continue to make some changes here. So what I can do is I click here, go back to edit hackathon submission. I can make any changes to the hackathon specific details, or if I click here, I can actually go back into edit project and I can keep making additions and changes, maybe even adding new screenshots or new team members until the deadline. Once I've made those changes, I would just hit save to do that. Another way to get back to editing your project if you need to is from the hackathon homepage. You'll see here it no longer says get started. Instead here it says manage your submission. If I click that, I'm able to see the submission that I've made to the hackathon. I can actually then click in here, make the edits, and you'll see I'm back on this page. So really easy. That's how you submit to a hackathon on DevPost. Happy hacking.